Sunday, September 22nd, 2019. I'm at a cousin's birthday party at a gym in New Jersey, so it's pretty hot, even for September. So here's a train spine fin coil 5-ton unit for the office horsepower. There's the tag. You can pause it. Read that. There's the lines. That fan is spinning slower, but it seems like the right speed. We'll go down the line. This side of the building is infested with wasps, so this is going to be great. These are for the main gym. These are also trains. Look at the amount of water coming out of that. It's trying its mighty best, that's for sure. You can see the 2 line sets with the 2 evaporator coils. And that's the tag. See the 2 line sets. Here's the one that's not running. I don't think you can see it, but there's 2 compressors in there. It's a 4-blade fan. I don't know about going behind this one because of wasps. Unit 1, Unit 2. Here's the tag. And this one doesn't really have it. Wow. This one hasn't been running, so keep going down the line. This looks like a regular unit. What? Hold on. The fuck? Why is there no compressor? There's just line sets. Okay, it comes out, loops around, and goes into the freaking condenser coil. Wait. There's 2 line sets. One goes in, one goes out. It's a pool machine. Here's the tag. Air-cooled condenser outdoor use. So it's basically a water cooler? Is that what it is? And here's the, just like the other train, but not running. There's a compressor. It's a scroll compressor, it looks like. See the line sets and the tag. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go walk right around to the other units. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Looks like we have more. I literally just started walking because I assumed they were only other units on the other side. And there's this thing. Holy shoot. That is a big compressor. And it's not focusing. That's a freaking giant compressor. How about the other side? Holy crap. Those are big. Is this a train also? Yep, train. Turn my light up. Let's turn it down. And it's too bright now. Okay. Yep, dual coil. Say suction circuit A, suction circuit B. And here are the liquids. Here's the tag on this monster. This thing's freaking giant. Like, look at it compared to my hand, and my hand's about normal size, or my 8-sized foot. It's like giant. And then look, holy crap, this one's bigger. Much, much bigger. In terms of size. I hate bees. Fed from panel. Batting cages? AC? What? Oh, dual coil. Dual suction. Here's the tag on this guy. Yeah. Train. Batting cages. Okay, that's what this is. This one's big. Yep, dual compressors. Yeah, you can't see anything. Oh, there you go. Dual compressors. With a big fan motor. And what's down here? Anything more? There's an open door. And one last train. I can't get to the data tag. Besides, it's covered in bushes. There it is. There it is. I'm trying to be quiet because there's an open door, but it's spine fin. So now I'm gonna walk all the way around to the other side of the building. Yep. Once again with my OtterBox, it says my flash is overheating and my camera unit is very hot. So let's get this over with. Back around the other side. This must be for like the other gym. There's like a kid's gym and an adult's gym. Hold on. Dude. That is a reciprocating compressor. You can see it much better. Let me turn up the light on my camera. Yeah, you can see it. So, data tag. This is the same unit right here. Same compressor. AC number 1. Data tag on this beast. I can go to the indoor units, but they closed the part of the gym because it's a party. So I won't be getting in there right now. I can, but I don't know. So continuing down, here are the last two. There's obviously a gym. Yeah, swim academy. Unit 3. Search from panel. Okay, this one's normal again. It has a regular compressor. Here's the tag. These are all XB13s, put in 2005, 6, 9. Didn't mean that. Around that time. Yeah, everything's bright because I have my brightness on my camera turned up. Okay, so I can go back around, turn my brightness down so it's less glaring to you guys. And I'll go back over to the other side. Yep, finishing off when we get some brightness. Finishing off by looking at the compressors on these units by turning up my brightness. Still running. If you turn up my brightness. Yep, you can see. Oh, I just heard one of these start. Holy crap, that's bright. One of these just started. Hey, it's the other train. Very, very hot. Look, the other train just started. It won't focus. There you go. This one isn't running. You can see in there. There's no compressor. And finish off walking down, checking out the mammoth. Finish by checking out these two mammoths. Yep, you can see that compressor. And that compressor. Nothing's focused. That was a big leaf. There's the tag. Train. And finish off with this guy. You can't see the compressors. I can at least. I can't on my camera. I'm trying to hold my water bottle. Train. Can I focus by... Yeah, it's not helping. There's tag again. And the other train isn't running, but it's the same, so let's go check up. That one's not running. Run, 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 run. Okay. Still running. See, are you cold yet? Yep. That's hot, as usual. Yep. Still not running. Kicking pretty good. They're also very loud. This guy's still running. That's about it. So, see you guys later.